Okay, dear students, hope we have already sent you on the group the link. Okay, PGCET application link we have sent you. See, once you click on that link, that will directly take you people here. Okay, you this particular screen will appear once you click on that link, and this is the um, page that almost everything that for about 5 months till you people join MBA MCA, this is the page that you have to be frequently keep checking. uh, so all the latest announcements will be mentioned here. Okay, once you click on this, see, you people can see here, online application, you have to click on this particular link. Okay, once you click on that link, the this application screen will appear here. This is the actual application screen. So here, anybody who wants to apply for PGCET 2021, you have to come to this page. Okay, you cannot directly come to this page. You can come through the link that I have given, and you can just follow that. So here there are two stages in the application, two steps in the application. Okay, anybody who wants to apply, the first step is that you will have to register. The first step is that you will have to register. Okay, second step is applying online. Okay, without registration it is not possible to apply online. For registering, register yourself online as a new user. You can see the screen here, the cursor you can see here. You have to click here for registration. Very first thing that you have to do is, this is what registration. You have to click here. Once you click here, okay, another screen will appear. It is asking whether the student is a Indian, a citizen of India. So you have to give it as yes. Okay, so once you give this, uh, automatically a page will appear here. This is what the registration page we call it. Okay, candidate registration that you will have to complete. So this is, you have to give the actual, as they said. Okay, name of the candidate you have to give, name of the father as per SSLC or 10th marks card you have to give, name of the mother, your mother's name you have to give, native state of the father, your father's native state, whichever the state, native state is there, you have to give it as it is. Then it is asking gender. You have to mention your gender, and date of birth, very important, as it is in the SSLC marks card. Okay, place of birth you can give where you are born. State, which state you have born, you can give that. And you will have to give an email ID here, your email ID, because it is important. You people shall have one email ID. You have to give an email ID here. After that, yes, if you want to use your email ID as a user ID for your PGCT application, you can use it. Or else if you want to give something else, you can give it. Okay, you're giving user ID minimum 6 characters. You're giving the user ID here, and after that, the password you have to give. You have to create your own password. Okay, whichever the password that you want, you can give. Need not to Gmail ID password or any other email ID password, need not to give. You can give according to you, any password you can give, and you have to re-enter the same password that you have given. Okay, and admissions to PG courses. Okay, which is the course that you want to take up. You want to take up only MCA or MBA or MBA, MCA or MTech, any course that you are going, you can give. Okay, students who have already decided to go for MCA, who are eligible for MCA, you can click. And students who are decided to go for MBA, you can choose only MBA. Okay, and students, BCA students, BSc students who are eligible for MCA, if you people are in confusion that to go for MBA or MCA, you can give this option. But the option, it's completely your wish, you can give it. And applying for PG courses, of course, most of you people are going, all of you are going for full time, so you can give full time. Contact mobile number, Okay, you have to give your mobile number, or you can give your parents number, a permanent number, which is, once the registration is done, you will get a, you may or may not get one, get a, uh, you will be getting one message, SMS from KEA, that your registration is successful. And in case of if you forget your password, so how will they identify? They'll identify with this secret question. Okay, you can choose any of the secret question, like what is your mother name, what is your vehicle name, or place of birth, favorite color, favorite food, you can give, and you have to give the answer here as it is. If you give it later on, you can recover your password. Okay. And security code is nothing but what is mentioned here. You can see what is mentioned here. This is called security code, REP84. It will keep changing. You just have to enter and give submit. If you give submit, your registration is done. Do not forget your password and the user ID what you have created, because you have created only, you will be knowing it. Write it down somewhere, what user ID and password you people are giving. Okay. So once this is successful, you will click here, submit, and the application will be submitted. And after that, you will get an SMS confirmation, SMS, that this has been successfully registered. Okay. So after that, you will have to log in again. After that, you will have to log in again here. You have to log in, then the new screen will appear. There you will have to fill the application form, detailed application form. Okay. So here it is. If you people have any doubts in while filling application form, how to apply, there's a PDF here, you can download and check it out. If you have any doubts, I mean, the doubts that you people can't able to handle, or if you have any really important doubts, contact number has been given, you can ask, and sample application is also there, you can download and check it out. Okay. So once registration is successful, you are using your uh, user ID and password and login here. Yes, you will log in here. You will put your user ID and the password here and log in here.